This is the latest offering from Bolt Audio, the Airbase FreePods Pro, predominantly the successor of the FreePods which was launched last year. Let us find out in this video if it really stands up to our expectations as per the claims made by the brand and if it really justifies the Pro name tag in it. But before that, if you have landed new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications to stay tuned to the latest tech updates from my side. Having done that, let us jump into the video, shall we? The Bolt Audio FreePods Pro TWS earphones come in this neatly packed box with some key features mentioned on the box. We shall find out if these features really stand up to the mark later in this video. Revealing the top, we are greeted by the Bolt brand labeling, which contains a warranty registration card and some paperwork on how to activate the buds. Make sure you register your buds on the official website manually once you receive it. Here we have another accessories box which contains a couple of silicone ear tips, pairs of different sizes, and small USB Type A to Type C charging cable. Let us come to the main unit now. I have ordered it in white. You also get a black and blue color options to choose from. Bolt Audio FreePods Pro TWS earbuds, as claimed by the company to be lightweight, are indeed lightweight and come in glossy finish for both the case as well as the earbuds, and the shape of these resemble the Apple AirPods Pro to a great extent. Speaking of the construction, it is completely made up of high density plastic material which makes this TWS pair very lightweight. The case feels solid and well built. There are strong magnets in place to close the lid, which is quite snappy, I must say, and even the earbuds are purely made of plastic and feels really very light. However, I feel the build quality of the earbuds could have been a tad better, otherwise these feel great. I really like the abnormally oval shape of the silicone ear tips, which are soft and of good quality and surprisingly fit perfectly in the ear hole. The complete shape of the earbuds are also ergonomically designed and fits snugly in the ears and does not tend to fall off easily, making it perfect for outdoor use and during physical activities. The bottom of the earbuds have the microphone for phone calls enclosed within these metal connectors, which enable the charging of the earbuds once you put them inside the case and it attaches magnetically within. On the connectivity front, these are using the Bluetooth 5.0, which offers a decent range of up to 10 meters, and pairing them with the smartphone is also quite easy. You need to take both the earpods simultaneously out of the case and it should reflect in your device Bluetooth menu as Bolt Audio FreePods Pro, and tapping it will pair it with your device. Taking out the earbuds from the case instantly connects them to the device, and putting the earbuds back will automatically disconnect and switch off the earbuds. The left and the right earbuds seamlessly pair with each other instantaneously as soon as you take both of them out. Both of these earpods are the master buds, which means you can use any one earpod also, or even pair either of them on two different devices if you wish to. But during pairing, both the buds must be kept more than 10 meters apart. Both the earbuds feature touchpads conveniently placed on the stem, which work as expected and support multiple gestures for different activities, but unfortunately the gestures are not customizable, which we cannot even expect in this price range, right? You can double tap on either of the buds to play or pause your music. Holding the right bud for 2 seconds will skip to the next track, and long pressing the left bud will skip to the previous track. Unfortunately, we cannot control the volume, which could have been a better addition. Long pressing for 1 second during an incoming call will reject it. Double pressing either one will accept the incoming call, and again double pressing will hang up the call. It also offers Google Assistant or Siri support. Triple tapping on the left bud will summon your assistant. Let us now come to the listening experience on these pair of earpods. These offer 10mm drivers, which the company claims to have tuned up from the previous generation FreePods for better output and extra bass, and also claims to be having micro woofers for that thumping bass effect. Well, the quality of sound which this pair of earbuds delivers depends upon the device on which you are using it with. These come with HD audio enabled and use the AAC codec for audio transmission, which is nice to have at this price, and we cannot complain as most budget headsets use the AAC codec format. By default, you might feel the sound profile to be very flat and lacking bass, but once you switch on the sound enhancement on your device, it will start delivering good quality output, and to enjoy the real potential of these buds, you need to tune your equalizer manually up to your liking. I prefer these custom equalizer settings and these deliver exceptional bass. I can say yes, after enabling the equalizer settings, the drivers deliver really nice quality sound with deep bass and great instrument separation. Well, if you're planning to use these pair of TWS for casual gaming, then these will not disappoint you, as the FreePods Pro also offer a dedicated low latency mode which reduces the latency to less than 80 milliseconds. Triple tapping on the right earbud will activate the low latency mode, and honestly speaking, I did not face any noticeable latency in the BGMI as such. So yes, you may consider these for casual gaming as well. Coming to the main highlight of these pair of TWS, it claims to offer 32 hours of total playback time with the charging case and each earbuds up to 8 hours on a single charge, and the claims are surprisingly true at this price range. I have got close to 8 hours of playback time on single charge from the buds at 50% volume with equalizer turned on, and including an hour of phone calls, and the case was able to charge the buds up to 3 more cycles. So the claims on the battery backup are meeting our expectations. You also get USB Type-C charging port, which can fast charge the case fully within 1.5 hours, provided you are using a fast charger of at least 20 watt or more, and a quick 10 minutes of charge provides you up to 1.5 hours of continuous playback, which is quite impressive. The company claimed about the additional feature that opening the case will connect the buds to the device, which seems to be missing here. The buds come in pairing mode or will get connected only once you take them out of the case. And to check the battery percentage of each bud, you will need to individually connect each bud and check the battery levels, and unfortunately there is no way to check the battery levels of the case. However, unfortunately these earbuds struggle in the department of calling. You shall be able to listen to the other party quite clearly, but the other person will struggle to hear your voice. You will need to speak loudly in order for these to be able to capture your voice. These buds capture your voice well in indoor conditions but struggle in noisy environments. Company claims to have added quad microphones for noise cancellation during phone calls, which seems to be working fine, but in my opinion it is too harsh in filtering out the noises, which eventually results in muffling the actual voice of the speaker. It could have been better if we were able to toggle the noise cancelling mic as per our needs, but never mind. So as a final verdict, considering the price tag of 1299 INR at which these are available on Flipkart, the quality of sound it produces, the deep bass provided you are able to tune with your equalizers, the massive battery backup, the seamless connectivity, the build quality, look and feel of the buds as well as the case which it offers is totally worth in the market of budget TWS. It might not be an ideal pick if you do a lot of calling, which any TWS in the budget segment will definitely struggle. So for calling, it would be better to go with a neckband style earphone. If you find this video helpful, make sure to smash that like button, which will motivate me to bring more such great content for you. Share this video with your friends, and before leaving, make sure to subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.